When you search for the best vacuums for cleaning under your bed, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really makes a difference for reaching those tricky spots, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Bafso's Gap Duster. First up is the Bafso's Gap Dust Cleaner, priced at just $6.98. What caught my attention was its ultra-slim design and the option for a telescopic handle. If you want an easy way to clean under your fridge or bed, this is worth a serious look. This duster features electrostatic microfiber that attracts dust and pet hair effortlessly, making it perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. It extends from 31 to 61 inches, so you can really get under low furniture without breaking your back. The fact that it's eco-friendly and reusable is a nice touch too. No need for harsh chemicals here. Plus, with over 1,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, people are clearly loving it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Cleaning under beds can be a hassle, and this tool makes it a breeze. Now, some users mention that the pole feels a bit flimsy when fully extended. Here's the thing though, if you use it properly and don't try to force it, you'll be fine. Just keep in mind it's designed for dusting, not heavy-duty scrubbing. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, light solution for quick cleanups. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle deep stains or heavy debris. Overall, it's a great value for what it offers. Now, if the Bafso's slight flexibility bothered you, the next product takes a different approach. Product number 2, Aurza Gap Duster. Next up is the Aurza Gap Dust Cleaner, priced at $13.99. This caught my eye because of its long handle and versatility. If you want something that can reach even tighter spots, this is worth checking out. The Aurza features innovative split fiber technology that lets it attract dust and hair as you use it. The microfiber cloths are washable and reusable, helping you save money in the long run. Plus, with nearly 5,000 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that buyers appreciate its effectiveness. Here's why this matters. The ease of using this tool means you'll spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your space. Some customers pointed out that the duster could use a better locking mechanism for the pole. I get that if you're cleaning really tight spots, it can be awkward to adjust, but if you handle it with care, it works just fine. This is great for you if you want a reliable tool for everyday cleaning. Skip this one if you need something super heavy-duty because it shines more in regular dusting than deep cleaning. For its price, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a good option. But the next one on my list is a powerhouse for deep cleaning. Product number 3, FEPPO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Now let's talk about the FEPPO Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, retailing for $66.47. This one really stood out due to its UVC light and strong suction. If you're serious about deep cleaning your mattress, this could be a game changer. With a powerful 500W motor producing 16 kPa of suction, it effectively removes dust and even skin flakes from your bedding. It also has a HEPA filter that captures tiny particles, which is essential for allergy sufferers. With 1,500 reviews and a strong 4.4-star rating, users are impressed with its performance. Here's why this matters. Keeping your mattress clean directly impacts your sleep quality, and this vacuum helps you achieve that. However, some people complained about its weight, noting that it can be a bit tiring to maneuver. I'll be real with you, if you have a large area to clean, it might take more effort. But for targeted cleaning sessions, it's a small trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a serious tool for mattress and upholstery cleaning. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to move around. For its power and technology, it's worth the investment. Now, if the FEPPO's weight concerns you, the next product is designed for flexibility and ease. Product number 4, WLIC Feather Duster Set. Next, we have the WLIC Feather Duster Set, priced at $9.99. I was intrigued by its extendable length of up to 100 inches. If you want something that can tackle both high and low spots, this is definitely worth a look. This set includes 4 pieces, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. The stainless steel handle is sturdy and can be adjusted manually, allowing you to reach high ceilings or deep under furniture with ease. The soft microfiber head ensures that you won't scratch your surfaces while cleaning. With a 4.4-star rating from 1,300 reviews, people appreciate its effectiveness. Here's why this matters. Having a tool that can clean various surfaces means you're well equipped for any cleaning scenario. Honestly, that was a bit frustrating for me too. However, after a few uses, it tends to settle in and the shedding issue diminishes. This is perfect for you if you need a multi-purpose duster for both high and low areas. Skip this if you prefer a single-use specific tool because it's more about flexibility than deep cleaning. For its price, it's a great deal. Now, if you liked the idea of a duster but want something even more affordable, the next one might just fit the bill. Product number 5, AIYINGLAI Gap Duster. Lastly, we have the AIYINGLAI Gap Duster at just $6.08. What caught my attention here is its ergonomic design and flexibility. If you're on a budget and need something effective, this is worth checking out. This duster extends from 30 to 100 inches, allowing you to clean in tight spaces easily. It comes with 3 washable covers, making it a cost-effective choice for ongoing cleaning. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 241 reviews, it clearly meets a lot of needs. Here's why this matters. You don't want to deal with dust bunnies under your bed, and this tool helps keep that area clean without much effort. However, some reviews noted that the head of the duster could be a bit rigid. Honestly, that can be a minor inconvenience, especially for reaching certain angles, but it's still manageable for most cleaning tasks. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable tool that's flexible and easy to use. Skip this one if you need something more specialized for deep cleaning. For what it costs, you'll get a lot of value out of it. So there you have it, 5 great options for cleaning under your bed. From the budget-friendly BAFSOs and AIYINGLAI to the heavy-duty FEPPO, each one offers unique benefits. Your choice really depends on whether you want something light and flexible or a powerhouse for deep cleaning. Whatever you choose, keeping those hidden spaces clean can make a huge difference in your home.